Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Kman here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with an interview. We dropped 2 weeks ago. The G we do the interview. They actually reach out to me. And we just see it like this man and me see it. I say, shit. Brother, they reach out to me after time for do a reaction to the interview. So Kman 6, the Kman 6 interview talks about almost dying. We see where MG get shot, RIP to the G. And him get shot also, but him friend never make it. So RIP to the G once more. And just keep on the safe part, Kman. He also talks about his life and much more. So it's quite a lengthy interview. It's like 37 minutes, just under 37 minutes. So we're not wasting time. We're gonna jump in and hear where Kman 6 I said. Big up the tuning bad artists. Them. Let's go, tuning people. Let's go. Shit! It's for God again. Alright, bye.
What's up?
Just chilling, bro.
You seen that green light there one time, huh?
Yeah, let me see. Damn, that's big.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, so let me ask you, like, where's your head at right now? Like, with everything going on, where's your head at? Where's Kman 6's head at right now?
So this is just after him get shot and probably released from hospital, I think. I'm assuming because of him ask him raise his head at right now. That's the first question.
Yeah, my head right now is focusing on getting better. Don't know this. Recuperating as fast as possible.
Exactly. Now,
To get back at it.
For sure. I seen you were live eating ice cream.
This ice cream right now, man.
And everyone was just like,
Yeah.
how is this possible? Like, everyone's saying you're a beast, you're strong. And I agree, because when I seen that, I was so shocked too, you know?
Yeah.
But like, let me
I'm
ask
strong,
you,
I'm strong.
let me ask you a little bit, because with the situation, we've seen a lot on like the Instagram pages. They're posting different things, but like, we want to know what happened from like, you know, the man himself. So can you kind of like explain what went down that night?
Yeah.
Right? Just went for something to eat, boy. Went for something to eat, like then you running the program already.
Yeah.
As you pulling off, can't pull up, start about shots.
Damn.
Man, know me, I fully militant. I just, every time I go in out there, I just fully aware, so I just watching everything that way.
Yeah.
I see it come like I see it, I was ready. So from the time to start, I just militant mode just still only one time I just give out time.
Yeah.
So obviously he must say him stop and I get food. Him and MG, and it's like a program. He must say basically a program run. So obviously him there on the road. Him you don't know the music where him sing and the gang thing and Trinidad. So he must say him always vigilant, which is the way to be in the streets. So him say a car pull up and shot start fire, and then him say him get out of it. So
Militant mode just still only one time I just give out time.
Yeah. Was it like an assault rifle, or was it just like a Glock?
But
Or you didn't see
Man, not
just
think
like
about
all
that.
kind of thing them fellas it sound like assault, it sound like Glocks, no man.
Nah, you're
Glock,
not
no,
think
no.
about what kind of shot, what over
So
shot
let
to
me
come
ask
to
you,
you.
like-
If it like go pop, you don't know, like everything happens so fast, bro.
After that situation, like, do you ever like think about like kind of like what do I call it? Like after that situation, do you feel like it kind of changed you in a way, or is it just like a normal day in Trinidad? What do you think?
Oh wait, is it?
I said like after that situation occurred, did you like feel like it changed you in a way, or were you like kind of used to it, or were you just like, oh, it's just another day in the hood?
Nah, it come like that.
Not another day, yeah.
Come like another day.
This another day, like. Ain't nothing. This come like this our next cut. After this heal up fast again.
Yeah.
And stopping the progress, ain't change no
Exactly.
thing. I still gonna be on my music, still gonna be focused.
For sure.
I know
for
if
sure.
they did had in the mind that they might change me, like, or if they thought I would have started singing gospel, or I know.
Yeah.
I still move. I just a little incident happened to me. Come like you walking in the street normal and fall long and get a gun.
Let me ask you, because everybody was saying that Kman can't die. He's like Wuzu down. He's guard up. And I also hear in your song like say you guard up. So I want to ask you like me. I'm from Canada. We don't really hear about. We hear a 1-2 time, but we don't really like think much of it. I want to ask like what kind of is it? Is it like devil worship? Is it like a ritual?
No mind.
And the music, man.
Yard up.
Because when I seen the No Lethal video, I was like, what?
Yeah, that video is sick, dog. That video they fucked me up, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
That's when I mean yard up. I just mean it's hard to get in. Hard to take you out, huh?
For sure. And you're proving it too. You're proving it. I'm not gonna lie. It's
Man.
I got a question though. Are you and Rebel Six biological brothers, like blood brothers?
No, I was just my real friend, like. I was just my real G. I always used to want to be wrong in man thing and you like my vibes real plenty and thing. And
R.I.P. Rebel.
So it's kind of like brothers with different mothers.
Biological brothers.
So it's brothers with different mothers type of thing. It's like a brothers with different. Okay. Damn, you guys have no songs together, right?
Nah, we not no songs together.
Damn.
I know, right?
But you have any unreleased songs with Wacko down in the vault?
It had one song I had was to finish with him, but every time I try to start it, I just my mind doesn't be in the right place, man. I just be studying the wrong things, you know. My mind is just be all over the place. At a point in time I didn't feel like I could do it, and I still didn't feel like I could do it, you know, but in time to come, probably I might consider doing it.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, your first song, was it Jump Out? Was that your first song? With Wacko was? That was your first song, eh? Damn, that's crazy. That's one of my favorites. So,
I haven't reacted to that one yet. I need to react to it. What name?
Song, eh? Damn. Was it Jump Out? Was that your first song?
Jump Out?
With Wacko was? That was your first song, eh?
I'm gonna react to that one then. I'm gonna react to that one before.
That's one of my favorites. So like, when you woke up that morning before you recorded, did you have like the thought of, okay, I'm gonna go to the studio and like record my first song, or was it just like, oh, the vibes are there, let me just hop on the song?
Vibe. Got to be a vibe.
That same day I record that.
But was it like planned? Was it planned?
I was home.
Yeah.
And like apparently like Wacko, Skelly, Poppy, all in them was in the level. It was in the gallery day, like styling that. My dog man to jump up on ball, but you only feel all your bad. And my dog came and they real bad. Hey Wacko, where you feel? Call him that.
No, they might vote him.
Call me one time, I come out one time.
So if I say, the one in my yard and them a boots, like, them a talk about Uber and I'm gonna say, you think you bad? Alright, let me call Kman. Kman, forward.
Hey Wacko, where you feel? Call him that.
Yeah, call him.
Oh, man, to call me one time, I come out one time.
Yeah.
But as I sit down here, so Wacko and me shades one time. I put on the shades, I start to feel like a cool boy. What? They play a beat one time. I start to spit some lyrics. Wacko, I open so.
Yeah, it's like, wow.
Go and get ready and then go up in the studio, my dog, man. Watch him so. Yeah, boy, go and get ready and let me go up in the studio now, boy.
Yeah, no.
And man, everybody started saying, boy, take my hand, I go take. I just be a fan and thank you, and that's one of yeah, sorry for that little interruption.
Nah,
cool. Phone in the ring.
So, were you like yourself surprised, or did you know like you can sing before? Like, was that your first time ever recording, or like before that you try a little thing?
You must try a thing, cause him didn't call him saying bad.
No, that was my first time ever recording.
Yeah, but you must underground thing.
You already go with me. At a young age, I get locked up now. 17 years. I get locked up with a gun.
They put him a gun.
Hold with my gun.
Yeah, how was
I come like I had time to.
Yeah, right. Some stuff.
Find my skill now.
Yeah. How was jail in Trinidad? People always tell me it's like crazy bad.
Huh?
Like the jails in Trinidad.
Yeah, like jails in Trinidad like whole way.
It's like a whole.
All the gangs, lights, and.
Yeah, you gotta like find something to do, or you're gonna lose your mind in there. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
I just used to just beat my chest and write lyrics. I write in small lyrics, beat my chest and I sing, why, real man, boy? I start to see like if I have a gift now, boy.
Yeah.
I didn't really focus. I didn't really used to study it. I didn't used to focus on it all and that because.
You see, more time, like, most youth will go prison, or most people will go prison, them find time to find them hidden talent. You see me, them, it calm, like, the whole prison system, depends on your experience, it calm you down and get you in a space where you never been before, and you say, you know, so I'm quite talented at this, whether it's drawing, singing, dancing, whatever it is, poetry, writing, whatever it is, you see it gradually get yourself and you say, oh shit, this is a hidden thing. So enough people don't chase it when them come out, but enough people chase it. So Kman chase it good.
Before I was a youth man singing, you know, running up and down, doing a start shipping, holding gun, busting gun, you know, kind of thing.
Yeah.
I was on the bad side now, so I come out now, I go on in the jail, come out now. To start to sing one time was never really on my mind now. I always thought, man, when I say, boy, you're soft and thing and sing, you know?
Yeah.
So it was never really on my mind to just start to sing as I jump out, but I didn't know I had the talent, I didn't know I had a gift.
Yeah.
But it was really on my mind to pursue it one time now.
But like, you think now it's different, right? Because after you get all this love, now you're like, okay, I actually really have the talent, and now I'm actually want to invest my time and money in this. So I wanna ask you too, like, how do you also deal with the success? Like, I know a lot of people will text you every day, post you like, oh, this is my favorite artist. Like, how do you deal with all this like love at one time and out of nowhere too? You know what I mean?
The thing that feels so good, boy. I feel so good to feel that so much of people. It's nice if in my country, people from different countries, all people really like me. They like my music.
Fans.
Posting me.
Core fans.
Only if a girl say nice a man. Oh, that make me realize my.
But see, like, it hasn't even been a year since you rap. Like, imagine all this love in like a couple months. Imagine you take this like fully, 100%. You put it all into music. Imagine the love you would get. Like, you
understand?
It's gonna be crazy. On top of the
really,
world type
really
shit.
Love. And I really love all now. So just imagine in the future.
Yeah.
When I see in all 2 years and 3 years.
Exactly. And that was also my
just keep yourself safe, bro, so you can get to the 2 years and 3 years, because the streets of Trinidad not play with nobody at all. So keep yourself safe, bro. Kman, you me attack, bro. Keep yourself safe, fam. You see me? You have a talent, bro. Always say to the artist them, dog, if a music, keep it music. If a badness, do no badness. But you can't mix it all them together. But I understand, say the music scene in Trinidad is like, artists them are dead young, brother.
Question, like, what are your plans for the future too? Like going on now, what are your plans? You want to stay the same, just keep the momentum going, or you want to add some different things, like collabs or something?
Well, of course, anybody would want elevation. Anybody would want like a better. I would like to do it like young boy and them by, you know? I'm my own studio. I have enough money to invest in my own studio. I have my own soldiers. There are things money can't done and them kind of vibes.
Yeah. What would you do if you weren't if you weren't doing music? Like, what's another passion you think you'd be?
The man I tell you from say a badness the man depan, bro. A badness him depan. He's been on badness.
Able to do, or you would want to do. Let's say like, oh, you're not good at music. You try. You don't like your voice. You don't like your lyrics.
He will be back in the streets. 100%.
That plan B, yes. I have to talk to you about that's not. That plan B, I shut up. I tell you. I was actually this man from young too. From young I do mechanics.
No, but I tell the man that Kman, you wouldn't go be no mechanic when you come out from prison if the music never work. Right back to the madness you're gone, bro. Don't tell the man that, fam. Don't do it. Madness!
It would be a multi, it would be more than one thing I would be able to, I would be doing if I wasn't singing.
Like a versatile type of, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. I wanted to ask you too, you had your concert in Barbados. What happened in Barbados? I seen that you got arrested there. Like, what kind of led up to that?
big up to TBKD is asking some good questions. He's asking some good questions. I don't know what his interviewing background is, or his reporter background is, but he's asking some damn good questions, bro.
I would say that is the promoter fault.
The promoter fault, eh?
The contract at state, I was supposed to have a vehicle to move more around. At any given time, I would like to, I'd like to move now.
Yeah.
But they didn't provide that, so I had to use one of my partner car, and he had wheel in the car, and he didn't tell nobody.
Oh, well, them fucked up promoter then.
We don't just do a normal stop and search.
Yeah.
And that wheel in the car, that about a whole £250 in the car.
Contract, artist contract. If it's in your contract to say, listen, I'm supposed to be provided with this, and this. If when you get to the destination, if that's not there, ask Wagwan. If them can't get an answer, love it, bro. Love it. You see me? Because the other person have forfeit pan your contract with them sign. That don't make no sense. It could have been worse. You see me? So he must say him have to go in and bridge in car, and up and down in bridge in car, and the bridge have weed in the car, which him never tell the G them. So police pull them over, and so you see me? One thing lead to another.
Do a normal stop and search.
Yeah.
And that wheel in the car, that about a whole £250 in the car. That will go another. If it had no wheel in the car, then police would have just leave it.
Yeah.
The weed, yeah.
That was crazy. So,
but your brethren also should have known, say, listen, me a par with the artist here, so we have a lot to lose. Also, yes, the whole of we are gangsters in the street, but if something in the car, at least make them know say something in the car. You see me?
How did you get your name, Kman? Was it just like people just called you that since a teenager, or like?
Okay.
How did you get that?
Yeah,
name?
but my name kind of was always complicated.
Yeah.
Kashif is my name.
Kashif, eh? So like, it's kind of the same with me. Like,
Kashif's okay. From the violence and things like the K, the AK, but no, Kashif I'm named, so K, Kashif for the K.
Deuce, so it's kind of hard to say, so they just call me like KD. So that's how you got the Kman, just like a short thing.
Yeah.
Okay. How was life growing up in Nepal? Like, tough, fun, mix.
Alright.
I said, how was life growing up in Nepal since like a kid, raising? Because the environment makes the person, right? So I was gonna ask like how growing up in Nepal kind of made you into the man you are.
Well, Nepal just like being up in any ghetto area. Parents to be working, try to manage.
Yeah, I can't hear you.
My phone ring again. I'm on over the mic.
But mostly majority you have everything you need. But
you're on over the mic, bro.
I would say it normal, but I would say it was kind of hard seeing me now.
Yeah.
Because as a done big man, people watching me from the ghetto, they stigmatizing me. We had to get work. Had to do certain things because we from the ghetto now. So I would say that kind of hard for me as I get to it.
Yo, let's say somebody offered you 10 million. They just gave you $10 million, no string attached. What would you do with the $10 million?
Man, it's a buy a studio.
Yeah, well, it has so much thing I would do with that. Most I would say I would just do the right things with that thing. Like studio.
Me know the answer to some of them, bro.
Make sure we functioning. We can have our own things all the time.
MG them good.
Back our money same way.
Yeah.
You know?
See, a lot of people, they're just gonna buy a house and stuff, man. Just buy cars. You gotta invest that money.
Yeah, you understand?
Yes, sir.
You can head that kind of, as I get to youth, as I get to youth, you get bigger and you start to have money. That would be in your head majority of the time now. If you get any kind of big money, to look for a way to invest in our business so you can gain back more money. So you would just be spending money.
Yes, sir. I also I seen on your stories you were saying that you're not making any like drill music anymore. What's up with that? Because like
I just me was just feeling a little down and thing, man. I just me feeling a little down.
It's a mood, man. It's a mood.
We're still gonna get like some drill songs, right?
Just a mood. He was having a phase. Obviously, him get shot and thing. Having a mood. Them just, but obviously, my God, come on. It a work for him. It I go continue work for him because I'm gonna continue make it.
Yeah.
See, that's what I want to hear.
That is the best side. That is why it's the best scene.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can expect
Exactly.
that.
No joke.
Exactly.
Jill
100%.
music, everybody's
That come
right.
like a stopping music to go and work in somebody's place.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
It
saying.
makes sense.
Yeah.
But I wanted to ask you too, if you could make a song with any American artist or American, UK,
Young boy.
who'd you choose?
Young boy.
I have a feeling I know, but
Young boy.
who would you choose?
Better young boy.
You say UK artist or American artist?
Eddie.
Guys, like what? Like foreign artists?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, probably the only person that not the only person that. NBA young boy will be one of the persons that
Oh, me know, say NBA young boy. You know why me know? Because earlier on, he make reference to NBA young boy. So obviously, him follow NBA and him rate what the G do. So big up NBA. Yeah. Oh, me know, dog. Yeah, I'm different, dog. I'm
NBA
different.
young boy will be one of the persons that
Yes.
Yeah.
You listen to Lil Durk, right?
Mm-hmm.
Be honest, who do you think is better, Lil Durk or NBA Youngboy?
Yeah, boy.
Young boy, I must say.
I listen to NBA young boy since I going to school. I listen to songs over and over and
That's
over.
what I'm
When I
saying.
get just for school, I get just something and I listen to this man over and over. Lyrics, that's how that flow always.
Yeah.
And it always like that.
No cap. I feel the same way.
Yeah.
I feel 100% the same way. But let's say, if you could have a song with anybody, you know, like Jamaican artists, other than Youngboy, who'd you choose?
Right? My dream, I always had a dream, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted, like since I started singing thing, be realist, and I'll be just so glad if Connect Law, if I get to sing in Connect Law.
La boss.
Connect Law.
Big artist, big choice, big
Put
artist.
my best everything into that one time.
Yeah, you're gonna
Yeah,
try
man.
your best for that.
Connect
one
Law,
feature.
different artist, man.
Connect Law was my Connect Law. All now Connect Law is my idol, boy.
Oh, really?
Listen to Connect Law songs over and over and over.
Because you can, as a G like him when in the street, him can relate to Labas. And a lot of people like him can relate to Labas. So Labas a real G, bro. And obviously him say 6, so you don't know say Labas from them time they don't know. So yeah.
Feel everything the man saying.
See it?
Yeah.
You know?
Facts.
You know that song Dark Place?
Come
The song Dark Place by Chronic Law.
Yeah.
Bro, that's one of the first dancehall songs I ever heard, bro. After that, I was just like, oh, man. And I know what you mean. You can feel the lyrics, and you know what I mean? You can relate the lyrics.
That was different, man.
Every one of the man song, that's fully lyrical. Feel like he playing the pain into his song and them kind of thing.
He does, yeah.
No cap. So, you want to make a song with Skeng, right? So I hear some...
Oh, no. When you say I would?
Would you make a song with
I will
Skeng?
never sing it.
So if a man is like, all right, I'll
That's
give you $1 million.
sponge
Someone offered you $1 million. Someone said, here.
Why am I scaring off? Why am I scaring off sponge brain? Why am I scaring off?
I'll give you $1 million. Someone offered you $1 million. Someone said, here, 1 million, make a song with
Skeng. I'm turning down that. I don't
How
want
come?
that. Them fellas is sponge brain. Them fellas will go anyway and just adapt to it. You don't know nothing about 7. You come to Trinidad and you gone back. Wherever you gone back and you always showing up 7. All of a sudden he's a full-blown 7.
Oh, so him say, basically he must say, Skeng found at Trinidad and par with 7s.
Oh, I thought 7 was only in... So there's 7 in Jamaica? Or
Sponge brain. I don't like them. I don't like people like that now. You could just go anywhere and just adapt. You know?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So he must say, in the like people like that, we can go anywhere and adapt. Me not have no problem with going anywhere and adapt, but if you have to adapt with the enemies now, that is what his problem is right here.
I know what you mean. Damn, I thought the 7 was only in Trinidad. It's in Jamaica too?
No, 7's not in Jamaica.
But me have no if it's in Jamaica. Me have no if it's a certain thing in Jamaica, man.
It's not in Jamaica, man.
I just say that. These fellas, I like them vibes.
Okay. So
He
yo,
does,
what are
he doesn't
your,
like Skeng because Skeng for
your
comparison.
top 3 Trinidad artists?
Like my best.
Yeah, your favorite, your top 3. Actually, make it top 5, top 5.
And top five. First I would say Youngstar 6.
Mm-hmm.
And my boy Kman.
Kman second, okay.
Are you talking like die too?
Pardon me?
What do you mean like die too? Like
Okay, we'll do top 5 alive, and then we'll do top 5 passed away. But what are your ones that are alive right now?
well it'll be Youngstar 6,
Mm-hmm.
Kman, Skelly. Mostly everybody who the link with me.
Okay.
All them G them.
Trinidad Ghost is a talented artist too.
Yeah, I heard about him. I have to check him out.
Who him say? Trinidad
Very
Ghost?
talented artist too.
Who him say? Trinidad Ghost? Guys, let me know who him say in the comment section so I can react to that song because I don't know. I react to the artist, I don't know.
Okay. So what about your the artists that passed away?
Rebel.
You don't know. Rebel 6.
Rebel 6 number 1.
Long live Rebel 6.
100%.
Wakodan, K-Lion. K-Lion was a man who loved his music and I love his music.
Yeah.
Just fully lyrical. Just like Rebel. I just
100%.
fan them real good.
G them the two
What's
quick
your
one.
top 3 American artists? How about that?
NBA.
American I would say Lil Durk.
NBA the
NBA
there.
Young Boy and who else? After NBA Young Boy. I didn't really listen to anybody. I would just say Kman.
Kman, yeah, that's a good one. Kman and Kman would have been crazy too. I won't even lie.
Whoa!
That would have. If I was an op, I
Chill
would
music.
have cried if you guys made a song. I swear.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you though, like, what do you kind of think is a perfect day? Like, what's a day like for you that you can be like, once you go to bed after the day is done, you're like, okay, this was a great day. You know what I mean?
When I'm going to studio, I know say, I want hit song this make.
Well, like, we had a concert on Simple shit at time. That's when I did perform with Roger Wyland,
Oh yeah,
Najee,
I seen that.
and
I seen
Malidan.
that.
That day was a great day.
That was a great day.
What is some link up?
Vibes, everything, and this was just a day I can't forget now.
Nah, I wish I came to that. That look like vibes, bro. I don't wanna lie.
Nice.
I need you and Mally Down would go great on a song too. I'm not gonna lie.
Mali, a bad artist, so sick artist. Mali, big up Mali.
Yeah, soon. Just timing for everything. Roger Wyland.
Exactly.
Roger Wyland is my dog and all too. Me and Roger Wyland real good. Roger Wyland come here, me and Roger Wyland rolling. Going all over the place.
What about with Swanee? Because now I keep seeing Prince Swanee playing your song on live, playing your song in the story. I know he really likes your music. So when is that collab like gonna happen soon or?
But I not really a pushy fella, so I would say, but that is my G still. Anytime I would say, as you ready, I would. As you ready to do a collab with me, I would do it one time. But I'm not a pushy fella.
Nah, push them, yeah.
You know, you see them, you do this song. You know?
Yo, have you ever been to Miami?
No.
You've never been.
No.
Damn, you have like a passport?
Yeah.
Why don't you plan on going soon?
It's hard enough when they have criminal record in there, bro.
I said, you planning on going soon? I feel like that'll be good if you
Yeah,
want.
but I must touch all the Caribbean countries.
You thought to
Yo,
go to
I wanted
America when they have
also
criminal
ask you,
record.
how did you meet Wacko Dan?
Yeah. Wakodan. When Wakodan now start to sing, he used to be down here.
Mm-hmm.
Used to be down here now. Used to be wrong man. You know, but all them time when I was in jail, I was locked up.
Yeah.
I was arrested.
Wait, how long did you go to jail
I was
for?
17.
How long did you go to jail for?
I spent 2 years and 6 months in jail.
Damn.
I got locked up when I was 17. Paragon.
2 years?
Yeah.
Do you regret the time lost? Cause like imagine if you never went those 2 years, what could have happened? You know?
I don't think he did regret the time lost. Like I said earlier on, he might go learn for it. Because if I never jail like him say, then he wouldn't be singing. Better that him I go say.
Yeah.
But I feel
But
like
I'm gonna say I'm glad that I went to jail, but
Yo, you're prophet. Oh, me know them thing, bro. Like a common sense, dog.
if I didn't go by,
you wanna start
I'd be on
music, right?
something else. But
See, bomb. Yo, no like the video, man. Sister, me a prophet in this. Like the video, dog. We all look at me fan. Like the video. Bomba clot.
might have be on the same thing I was on before I got locked up.
Me know that.
Lock
Them
up
thing,
and I might have been dead.
no brainer, dog.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
might have been the worst person out there or some kind of thing.
Exactly, and like everything happens.
But I'm probably
reason.
dead
See,
too.
like, since you went to jail,
Yeah.
you started
I
making music. No, I said like everything happens for a reason. See, once you went to jail, you started the music thing.
Yep.
And then
Yep.
now you're on to like
Yeah.
better things, you know?
Yep.
So like a
Find
curse can be a
himself.
blessing in disguise.
Him find himself in a prison.
Yes, correct.
I wanted to ask you this though. Would you rather never sing again, or would you never listen to music again? Well, you can listen to your own music though.
Brother, come on. You can't ask the man them some question there, bro. What you do? Ah.
Nah, I go listen to it. I know these days I usually listen to nobody.
You,
The song has to be really catchy for me to
Yeah,
listen
actually.
it over and over. But I listen to myself over and over and over.
I don't blame you, bro. I'm doing the same thing, bro. I just listen to you, a couple other guys. I won't lie. So you would choose
Yeah.
to never listen to music again?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Damn. That for me, I don't even make music, so I would. Let me ask you this too. If you could have a 5-minute conversation with anybody in the world, dead or alive, who would it be and what would you talk about?
Dead or alive?
Yeah.
Anybody.
5-minute conversation.
5-minute conversation, anybody.
Oh, Rebel.
I would not really nothing to speak about with the dead, but if I can just get 5 minutes of conversation with Chronicler, my idol.
Chronicler, reach out, bro. Link the man, G. Kman, link Chronicler same way. Cause don't feel say Chronicler not pre where you do over Trinidad side. So link up. I easy link up that, bro. I easy link up that, fam. Chronicler, humble you.
Talk your reason and
Humble you,
you
man.
come to a 5 minutes conversation.
Yeah, you really want that feature? That should happen. That really.
Yo, Chronicler, idol, bro. The man idolize your fam. Kman, link up, bro. Link up the G, dog. Just message the man, bro. You see me? Make a link. Make a link, dog.
Squash, so I feel like one with Chronic is only right.
Yeah, timing it and timing is everything, man.
So what type of song do you think you guys are gonna make? Kind of like a pain song, or like like a drill song?
No, well,
Nothing true.
singing
Reality.
Yeah.
Realities,
I'm not
yeah.
gonna lie, those ones are underrated. Like your songs like Focus, Reincarnations, they're underrated, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Wait, what would you say is your top 3 favorite songs that you made?
My top 3 favorite songs. No Little for one for sure. I'm a best.
No, they
Song I
tell
would say.
No, they tell sick.
But you see, Changes.
Uh-huh.
Changes is one of my best songs.
Oh, okay. You like it over We Done Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Shit,
You just
damn.
have to, when you really sit down and you listen to it, you just kind of feel the vibe.
Yeah, it's like different vibes too.
Try
You
to
know
just
what
sit
I
down and listen to the lyrics.
mean? Yeah, exactly. What about your third?
I'm going to be Up Now.
Up Now. Okay.
Yeah.
I need to react. I need to react to these songs. I haven't
If you had
reacted
a
to
young
them.
boy in front of you, like you would show him No Lethal. Like, oh, this is my song. Listen to it. You think it's tough? You show him No Lethal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Nah.
say NBA young boy that fuck with that. Cause NBA young boy is about the street life too. So if him a drop like a song like that and put it in front of NBA would have loved that shit, bro. NBA would have, bro, that's you.
If young boy heard No
So for
Lethal,
me, tell me that one you gonna like me.
Nah, if he heard it, he's gonna be like, you know what? Come in the car, go to the studio right now. That's what he gonna say.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah.
No cap. Yo, let me ask you, if you could relive your life, let's say there was a reset button, you could redo life all over again with the knowledge that you have now. Would you do that?
Probably,
Yeah.
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 Easily.
What would you do
No
different?
brainer. No brainer.
I wouldn't really do anything different. I just know where is my goal and know what I have to do now. Instead of just running wild and it wasn't, you know,
For
I wasn't
sure.
really fully focused.
Yeah, 100%. That's why I would do that. I would do that too. I'm not gonna lie.
I would too. I
So
would
how
do the
do you,
same.
like, how do you deal with the? Did I ask you how did you deal with the bad man or just nah? How do you deal with the like the negative side? Like, cause you know people are after you.
He's asking some good
Like, how do you
question.
deal with
TB
that?
asking some
Because
good
me
question,
personally, I
bro.
don't think I would be able to. So like a lot of people wouldn't be able to. So they all kind of want to know how you cope with that. You know what I mean?
I really study. I really study that way. See all the bad mind and the bad comments and all who want to kill and
You
all who
can't really
find
study that.
or whatever. I really study that way because the amount of good comments, the amount of positivity it have towards me going through this, that overcoming all that. And I'm
Yeah.
trying to study that.
I see thing me doing now because sometimes we post a video and a person will say, yo, person will drop a negative comment. Me look over that, me not see it. Because I see the positive comment that my people are say. You understand? So the negative comment them, as long as a man not tell me about something bad and rare, I'm in a business with a man. When a man want to say that, you see me talk, if you not talk nothing but bad about my kids them or nothing about my family, me good. Tell me anything you want to tell me. I don't care. Cause me I focus on the positive, not focus on the negative. Fuck the negative.
Can't phase me. That can't have me down.
Mm-hmm.
Bad comment is to
Yeah. You can't let them win.
to draw attention to have a fella feeling down. That could never ever have me feeling down.
True.
Exactly. Nah, that's a good response. That's a good response. But where do you see yourself in, let's say, 6 years? Or actually, no. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I see myself as a real big artist. I see myself like NBA young boy, I telling you. I
Yes.
see myself
Yes.
like clown, I telling you.
But do you think you'll have
I'm
like
my own a thing, my own a studio, not to go nowhere, nobody studio.
He's very insist of getting in the studio, which is good.
Growth.
yeah, like in your house?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you'll have like a wife and kids, or you don't want kids?
Yeah. Kids
Yeah,
is
yeah.
a must, but you must have
100%.
something for you. Like,
Catching the bad man you talk to, you know, bro. You can't talk about kids when you talk to them, man, bro. Come on, dog. Come on, man, them youth, dog. Come on.
what kind of want.
Come on,
you go real
TV.
bad, and the one time. The one time you real bad.
What
Must
if-
have some kind of legacy that you
Yeah.
leave there, but to say when I cash it.
Mm-hmm. What if you had like a son and you wanted to make like Trinidad music? Would you help him, or would you just be like, nah, this is not what you should do? Or would you just like let him live his life type of thing?
No, if you would want to make music, I would show him the right ways. There's nothing to do with no bad music and no good music. Because everybody they start off somewhere.
Exactly.
And most artists start off vulgar in their music.
True.
Because that's what sells.
Then
You
them
know,
calm
that's what
down.
gets views. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
but that's not what you want the kids to hear.
But I just with EP, Two Bad Man song,
Mm-hmm.
some girl song and
I
some
was
contrast,
surprised.
and the Two Bad Man song making the most views out of all in them.
Yeah, but I was surprised too. I thought the EP was just gonna be all just like bad tunes, but like I was kind of surprised, and I was happy too that you're showing like, you know, you don't,
Versatility.
this is not your only option. You know, that you can do this, you can do this. I was really surprised for that.
Yeah,
I was really surprised.
show that that's talented now. No, that's one thing we could do now.
Exactly, because we already know that whenever you drop a song like that, it's automatically a hit. So now you're showing like, yo, I could do this too. Like I could surprise you guys more.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, that was good. That was really good. So like, let's say a record label wanted to sign you. Like, what's the minimum amount that you would like ask for?
Yeah, you
in your time
can't.
right
You
now?
can't ask that. You're not gonna answer that.
Or would you not want to sign with
To be
nobody?
real, nah, I ain't signing with nobody. I by myself.
And more independent.
Independent.
Yeah.
I by myself believe I can make it
100%.
big and real far. I don't believe I need no help.
Don't.
But you know, like in that way.
True.
How do you like doing the concerts and things though? Like when you see all these people going crazy in front of you for your music, like doesn't it like,
Dream.
kind of, like feed you like
It's a
energy?
dream.
You think
Yeah,
so?
you mean I boost my energy, man. I feel so good, man.
Yeah, they're all going crazy, and then like, cause I seen your show. Like, I could tell that you really like you had so much fun.
Yeah.
Do you plan
When
on
that
doing more
music stop
shows?
and I hearing everybody singing my song, no nice honestly, man.
It's crazy, I swear. I can only imagine.
Yeah.
But like, you plan on doing more shows? Cause I'm not gonna lie, you should come to Toronto one time, bro. You should come, cause you actually have a
Yeah.
lot of fans, bro. I'm telling you, you actually have a lot of people
But
down
this
here.
time, then I have more shows. To go St. Vincent, December. Right after my wedding, I have to go back Guyana. No, I'm trying to bring me back Guyana. And then I'm stopping nothing. And this day, incident happened to me, stopping nothing changed my mind. I just know I have to go harder.
100%. Yeah, because that was the next question too. Somebody was asking me is like, ask Kman 6 now because God gave you a second chance at life. So do you feel like now you're gonna go like even more? Cause like it's bad to say, but you could have died that night. It could have been all over that night. But like God gave you another chance, and a lot of people don't get other chances. So like a lot of people were telling me like, oh, to tell you to like just focus on the music and things. So like, do you feel like now there's gonna be more pressure?
So what the question?
Pardon me?
So what the question? I hear you.
So pretty much they're asking because about the incident, you could have lost your life, but God gave you a second chance. So like, there's a lot of pressure now to like show them kind of why you deserve that second chance. So like, are you gonna like drop music more, or are you just gonna keep it slow and steady?
Yeah, slow and steady. I ain't really think about the music because I ain't gonna say don't get fed up in about. I just like to have people in what you say in suspense. They want to know what's going on with Kman. What's going on with Kman? Them kind of questions.
Yeah.
When Kman jump in, then
Yeah.
have people anxiety up now.
Facts, I swear, bro. I swear. Even for the We Done Ready video, I'm still waiting, bro. I'm literally still waiting for that.
Yeah. Now that me making from well, I'll tell you. November the 3rd for my birthday. No, We Done Ready video drop.
Are you gonna like shoot some of the scenes at your birthday? Because I know a lot of people are gonna be at your birthday.
Musical drop.
Huh?
Are you gonna like drop it on your birthday, or are you gonna shoot more?
Scorpio like myself, yeah. Big up myself. Scorpio gang. Scorpio gang. Mine is November the 12th, so make sure say I'm gonna drop my PayPal link and just send me beer money here. Yeah.
More scenes on your birthday.
That video done shoot already. There's the editing and thing to do now, and on the day of my birthday I can drop.
It would have been cool. You should have did like a scene at your birthday because there's gonna be so much people. You should have like one big scene with everybody.
Nah.
Huh?
No, I would have said like it would have been sick if you like shot a scene on your birthday because like everybody's gonna be there, right? So it would be like sick for the video.
Yeah. Well, that is a video there. No, that different video. Next
Different video, yeah.
So like, is there any collabs coming soon that you already recorded that you can talk about?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I have a collab with artist. Even really come out as that, but I have a collab with him in the making. I already record.
Wait, who?
The artist, he really
He's not like
Like,
a big,
Young artist.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's it? Keem?
What the fuck? Like I forget the man name, man. Don't get going live. Don't put that part in it. I forget the man name, man. What the mad thing?
Man said don't put a part
I
in
forget
it.
the name, man.
Man said don't put a part that night. TV put the part tonight.
Got a name.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all the questions I had today, bro. But I wanted to say like thank you a lot, bro, for like letting me be the person to interview you, bro.
Yeah, I don't see.
Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that a lot.
Plus, show my real love too. I see how he is girl for my song and them too. It's like how I feeling love for my fans and them. I watching into like reviewing my video and them and saying,
that's real. That's
show
good.
this man real.
That's
You know
good,
what I'm
bro.
saying? It's crazy, bro. But yeah, I just want you to keep up the good work, bro. In a year's time, it might be sooner than later. You're just gonna be like on top of everything, bro.
Yeah, you seen that.
Keep up the
I be
work and
good.
be
Let's be
safe.
on top of everything.
Yeah, just
I'm
stay
better than
focused,
no
man.
40. Let's be on top.
Exactly, exactly. But yeah, you
Just be
done
on
know.
top with whoever wants to be on top. Yeah.
For sure, for sure. But yeah, you done know it. This was the Kman 6 interview, man. Big up Kman 6. One of my favorites. A lot of your favorites too, man. But until next time, though, we out. You dig.
Great interview skill, my boss. You asked some good questions, some very, very good questions. You see me? So great interview skills. You can only get better and better. You understand? Okay, man, big up yourself, bro. Glad to see you're still there. Glad to see you are able to make this interview. Big up the fans them who are support your music, same way. We can see that you're really humble and you're appreciative of everything we are achieving in such a short space of time, as in popularity wise. Credit Law, Kman, we need to link up. You see me, Kman, Kman idolize your Credit Law. Kman 6 link, Law Boss, slide name DM. Him a go respond, bro. Once him see him a go respond, because I know Chronic Law listen to you see me? So big up yourself, fam. Big up yourself, big up yourself. The things already 46 minutes. Now gonna further. Big up on yourself. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.